today? At the Mariners and Guardians, boy.
And you too? What going?
Cardinals, Rockies, Sunday, made up at 5. Sound good. So for me, I'll bring the Hoagies. Remember, Italian for me with extra tomatoes and extra mayo. Where is he? I've been waiting for an hour.
Sorry I'm late. The game went for 17 innings. I got the Hoagies with extra mayo though, bro.
These are really good. Where did you get them? I got them from Baseball Town. Those extra special. Lord, I thought what baseball. Look how far I can throw. Okay. I'm coming, Cookie. I have to catch you. I'm kind of used to it, though, because I'm always in Winky's team. Are you okay? Your team is a bit out of line, you know. It's your team in it. I'm in the All-Star game in a week. I'm gonna be the first pitch. Yay! I got this, Lucky. They hit me. I caught the home run. Seriously, and you again? Yay! Lucky! We're finally back home. This feels so good after a long day. You're right, Lucky. What an awesome, great day.